Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the system and opening Device Manager so you can update the driver directly. First, make sure Windows 11 has recent updates installed. This avoids compatibility gaps. Next, check Settings Sound Advanced to note the audio device name. That helps you pick the correct driver. Once you've noted the model, press Win+X and choose Device Manager, because that's where you'll locate the sound adapter and start the driver update process. Now you'll update the driver inside Device Manager and handle the nuanced options. Expand Sound, Video, and Game controllers and find the device name you noted earlier. Right-click it and pick Update Driver. Choose Search automatically first so Windows pulls a tested driver from Windows Update. If that doesn't find anything, select Browse My Computer for drivers and point to a driver folder you downloaded from the vendor. This lets you finish by restarting the PC to ensure the new driver loads correctly. This step resolves many lingering issues. After reboot, test audio and adjust default device in Settings Sound as needed. If sound degrades, go back to Device Manager, open the device properties, and use Rollback Driver to revert to the previous version. That's crucial when newer drivers introduce regressions. If problems persist, run Settings System, troubleshoot other troubleshooters playing audio to let Windows diagnose common faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.